lovelies, I'm VINTY Nellie, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this dragon hair using VO5 and TRESemme products. So guys, now that I've slightly dampened my hair, I'm just going to use my VO5 Frizz Free Cream. And I'm just going to apply some of that in the palm of my hand. So this actually controls the frizz and makes it so much easier to braid your hair. So next, section your hair into 3 parts, like so. Grabbing some clips, just clip them all away from each other. Now that we've parted our hair into 3 sections, we're actually going to cornrow the center of our hair going all the way back. So now guys, I've cornrowed that all the way to the back. I'm just going to turn around so you can see. And right here is where I'm gonna put in this hairband. So when braiding this section of my hair, I wanna get it as high as possible just to get that dragon look. And again, going in with the same product, I'm just going to apply some of that to the palm of my hand and onto my hair just to control the frizz. And again, the braid is going high up just to create that dragon effect. And finally, we're going to do the same thing for the final braid. So next, with the 3 braids, we're going to separate them into 2. And then we're going to do 2 individual plaits. Then about halfway, we're going to tie them in with a hairband. Ta-da! So guys, this is the finish with the poofs at the end. I love it so much. But what I am going to do, I'm going to grab my VO5 touch-up wand and I'm just going to apply that to the roots of my hair, just into the braid, just to keep the flyaways in check. Now, moving on to the glitter, I'm going to use my VO5 Fixing Glitter Spray. I'm just going to spray that in the partings of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with the VO5 glitter in Galactic Gold. Right guys, don't be shy and don't be scared to get dirty. Just apply that straight onto the fixing glue spray and it will stick. Don't worry about that. So now, just to set that glitter in place, I'm just gonna spray that onto the parting. So guys, I mean, you can never have too much glitter. So what I'm gonna do is literally spray the puffs and add some more glitter. And I'm gonna spray that all over. And that's it, super easy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Be sure to check out the products that are listed in the description box down below. Bye! Mwah.